Hello family and friends, and thank you for joining me here at Cooking with Cree. Today I'll be making deviled eggs, and here are the ingredients. I'm going to use 4 large eggs, some mayo, some pickled relish, which I drained to get some of the juice off of it. We don't need all of that. Some chopped onions, and I chopped them fine, as you can see. Some Dijon mustard. Some chopped red peppers, roasted red peppers. Paprika, pepper, and salt. And I'll be right back to show you how we put it all together. We're going to salt our water for our eggs. Place them in. We're going to bring them to a boil, and we're going to boil them for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to take our eggs and run them under cold water. This makes them easier to peel. And you break it. And you let the, I tore that one, but you let the cold water run up under the membrane. That's that thin skin. That makes it peel pretty good, even though I broke this one. Try one more. Usually it's better to start like on the tip. You run the cold water and let it go up under the membrane. This water is ice cold, so woo. There you go. And I'll show you what to do next. Okay, we're going to slice the egg in half. See how yellow that is? That's because they're not overcooked. I cooked them about 8 minutes, I think. Oh, that one is kind of delicate. I'm going to finish those and I'll be right back. Okay, I removed the yolk and now I'm going to mix the yolk. Let me add a little. You're going to add it to your taste. You see the size of eggs vary, so you really don't know. Okay, I've added some mayo. Rinse this off. Now I'm going to add some relish. not too much. You see, it's not a whole lot. Those eggs are supposed to be large eggs, but they were really small. Just a few onions. Maybe a few more. Roasted red peppers. A little Dijon mustard because it's strong. Ooh. A little pepper. A little more. Just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Paprika. And I left my lemon zest. Hold on one second. I like a little zest of lemon. When I buy my lemons, I zest the lemon and I put it in the fridge. And it lasts and lasts and lasts. But I'm going to mix this together and taste a little bit and see what else I need to add, if anything else. And I'll be right back. Okay, I added a little more mayo and a little more relish. Now I'm going to put them together and I'll be back. And here you are, deviled eggs. I sprinkled a little paprika on top and a few roasted red peppers. There you are. And thanks you for joining me, friends. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. I'm tripping over my tongue today. So I'll see you later, guys. Be well.